Most of the time in chess, you will use your pieces to directly attack your opponent. But sometimes, the most powerful moves aren't done directly with a piece, but are revealed by moving a different piece. These are called discovered attacks. Let's look at a few examples so you can see how powerful they are. In this position, notice that White's rook is lined up with Black's queen. White could play a move like bishop to c2 to reveal the rook's attack on the queen, but then the queen would simply move out of the way and the threat wouldn't mean anything. Can you find a more forcing move that will discover an attack on the Black queen, but not let Black move the queen on the next turn? Very good. Bishop takes h7. White discovers the attack on the queen, but Black cannot move the queen since Black's king is in check. After king takes h7, rook takes d7, White wins a queen and a pawn for a bishop. Let's take a look at another position. In this position, White is down a piece. White plays the move d4. What is White's main idea? It looks like White is attacking the bishop on c5, which is true, but White is really creating a discovered attack by attacking Black's queen with the dark squared bishop. The reason discovered attacks are so powerful is because you often get a free move with the piece you are moving. Your opponent must deal with the attack from the second piece and doesn't have time to handle both threats at once. In this case, Black should move the queen, and then White will be able to capture Black's bishop on c5 and regain material. Let's look at one more position together. White is placing serious pressure on Black's pawn on f7. Should Black move a piece to guard f7, or can you find a discovered attack that will prevent White's attack and win serious material for Black? That's right, d3. Black opens up the g1 to a7 diagonal, discovering an attack on the queen on f2 with the bishop on a7, pinning it to White's king. White's queen cannot capture f7 since it is pinned, so Black will win a queen for a bishop. White can try to block the attack with c5, but Black can simply capture the pawn with bishop takes c5, and now there's no defense. Now it's your turn to practice discovered attacks.